Hey guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel BioBeat. So today I have made notes on ecology. Full ecology section I have covered in this. So this notes is basically for NEET students or NEET aspirants, and this notes contains includes this is totally handwritten notes. As you can see, this is totally handwritten notes based on NCERT. It is short. This is for revision purpose, and you can see here that this is totally handwritten. Important points are written in red. All data are covered in this examples, and all important topics are also covered in important diagrams. Uh, it is totally written in points. Short. This is very short and very simple to revise. You can just see and revise it in 2 minutes. The whole ecology section you can revise to this. So guys, please support us and please share and subscribe this channel.